Welcome once again. Let's talk about Render token. This coin since over 2 weeks has been pumping massively, and they've continued to rise. Even today, that Bitcoin has been able to hit about 7% increase in price in the past 24 hours. Render token has been able to hit 32%, making it one of the top crypto coins gaining today. Now, this coin for me, currently they are trading with a price of over $2. All right, now with the market cap, I'm surprised to say market cap hitting almost $1 billion, 864,627,975 dollars market cap. And one thing I love about this Render token and this coin, definitely is going to hit over $50 in the next future. They have a very small circulating coin, just 363 million coins. When you compare this coin to Cardano have over 34 billion coins circulating out there, and Render token just 363,911,531 coins circulating out there. I'm happy to see this coin that reduced. In the past 7 days, they're gaining about 20.11%, and in the past 24 hours, this coin is currently gaining about 32.36%. So I believe, yes, this coin is going to hit. I see this coin hitting over $50 in the nearest future if they continue the way they are doing. Render token started proving that they are going to be one of the top crypto coins. Right now, they are ranked 60 crypto coins with the highest market cap. So it's amazing to see. For the past 2 weeks, they've continued to improve, they continue to rise, they continue to pump, and I'm happy to see this pump have also continued. Even today, so many coins are beginning just 3%, 7%, 8%, and you can see Render hitting over 32% increase in price in the past 24 hours. But please remember, if you want to buy what you can afford to lose. And remember, this is not the financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.